the help of a needlework. For making the bow, we will make a magic ring. And then we will make total of 6 chains. And now we will follow double triple crochet pattern for total of 4 times. And now again we will make total of 6 chains. After then we will make a slip knot from the magic ring. And then we will pull the end of the yarn to decrease the circle. After decreasing the circle, we will make a 6 chain and follow the same process. And now again we will pull the end of a yarn and cut it down. And now we will also cut the working yarn and then wrap it around the bow. After wrapping the yarn, we will fix the end of a yarn with the help of a needlework.